Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your cyber insurance questionnaire with Coalition, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documentation related to your current cyber insurance policy. Review the existing questionnaire from Coalition to identify sections that require updates. Access the Coalition portal using your credentials. Navigate to the section where your current questionnaire is stored. Select the option to edit or update your questionnaire. Begin with the first section and compare it against your current security practices. Make necessary changes to reflect any updates in your security measures. Continue through each section, addressing any updates in technology, personnel, or processes. Pay close attention to any changes in compliance regulations that may affect your policy. If needed, consult with your cybersecurity team to ensure accuracy in your responses. Once all updates are made, review your responses for clarity and completeness. Save your changes to avoid losing any progress. Prepare a summary of the key updates made to the questionnaire. Submit the updated questionnaire through the Coalition portal as per their instructions. Confirm that your submission has been successfully processed. Keep a copy of the updated questionnaire for your records. Regularly revisit and update your questionnaire to ensure continued compliance and coverage. This concludes the guide on updating your cyber insurance questionnaire with Coalition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.